I don't know. Here's a package from Aunt Pat. And Jackie and Vinny and Gianna. Okay, open it. There's cards. One says, for Matt, Amy, Dominic, and Kate. This is for you, Dominic, this one.
Is this for Katie?
That one's for Katie, I think. Yes, here, Katie. Do you want to open this? Here, Katie. Look, Katie. Come, open.
Oh, I have another movie again. Oh, movie. Another movie.
Ooh. You did get a movie. This one says happy birthday. Ooh, and some things to look at. Some pictures. Nice. Those are pictures, honey. They're not movies. Very nice. Now look, what do we have? There's clothes in there for you. Ooh, here, Katie.
More
Oh, pajamas. Katie.
I get to draw on here.
Ooh, look, you got a little. Yeah.
Is it for me?
Yeah.
Where is that?
And look, Katie, you got pajamas. Look at this one.
Get to draw on there.
You say thank you?
Get to draw on there, Mommy.
Katie, can you say thank you?
Look, Mommy.
Ooh, oh, Katie, look, you have your own princess plate. Is that perfect?
Ooh, nice. Are these mine's? Are they mine?
This is your own princess plate, honey.
Ooh, they're for coloring.
Ooh, you got crayons. Did you see your shirt here, Dominic? Look.
It's mine.
All right, get right to work. Ooh, and we have sunglasses for Katie. Okay, Katie, ready?
Yes.
All right, show us your stuff. You're beautiful, sweetheart.